Maasim pawis, nakakahiya.
Iaasa mo lang ba sa chamba-chamba?
Chamba-chamba, chamba-chamba, chamba.
May asing pawis.
Chamba-chamba, chamba-chamba, chamba. Nakakahiya. Naligo naman ako
Ligo lang?
Kulang.
Dahil ligo lang doesn't stop sweat and odor-causing bacteria. Use Rexona every day with motion sense technology for protection against sweat and odor. Guaranteed!
No to chamba-chamba.
Protected ka with Rexona. Use Rexona Deo Lotion every day.
Salamat to! Salamat to! Salamat to!
Balik ko ang salamat, Doc, na diskubring may cancer ang magkabilang suso ng 56-year-old na si Ginang Christie. Pero tumanggi siyang magpa-opera sa takot na lumala ito dahil sa kanyang diabetes. Narito po ang kanyang kwento.
Sa unang
We interrupt this broadcast with an urgent message. From the government, the situation in our country has escalated to a critical level. Intelligence reports indicate that tensions between Philippines and China have reached a breaking point. Both nations are on the brink of declaring a state of war due to unresolved territorial disputes. As a precautionary measure, all citizens are advised to stay indoors and avoid non-essential travel. Emergency services are on high alert, and the government is taking necessary steps to ensure public safety. Please remain calm and follow instructions from local authorities. Tune into official channels for further updates and guidance. Your cooperation is vital during this challenging time. We urge everyone to prioritize their safety and the safety of those around them. Let us come together as a community and remain vigilant. This is a developing situation. Stay tuned for further information and instructions. May everyone stay safe. Please be informed that regular programming will resume shortly. Thank you. Kapamilya.
Even when the lights fade, I'm conditioned to stay in my ultimate vibrance.
With the world's first triple keratin rescue by Cream Silk.
When we came in, the Chief of Staff, Lieutenant General Bartolome Vicente Bacaro, the PNP Chief General
We interrupt this broadcast with an urgent message. From the government that China government has issued a nuclear attack. This is an attack warning. Again, this is an attack warning. An attack on this country has been identified. Protective measures has been initiated. This is not a test. Asia Pacific Aerospace has detected the launch of 6 nuclear missiles. It has been verified that these missiles are directed to the Philippines. It anticipated that these missiles will be armed with nuclear warheads. All peoples of the Philippines are highly encouraged to remain calm and seek underground refuge. Make sure that you have enough non-perishable canned meals and drinkable water for the next 14 days. When the threat has passed, an all-clear siren will sound. The sound of the all-clear siren is like an air raid siren. Once the all-clear siren is heard, it is permissible to go outdoors. Do not try to evacuate until you hear the all-clear siren. Radiation levels will be lethal. This broadcast shall deliver authenticated and information on the situation to the Filipinos in order to maintain transparency. This is a national emergency. Filipino lives are in danger. Remain calm and seek underground safety as quickly as possible. Six incoming intercontinental ballistic missiles are expected to strike the Philippines in about 15 minutes. And the targets are Metro Manila, Cebu City, Davao City, Ilocos Norte, Naga City, Baguio. If you reside in any of the potential targeted cities, provinces, seek underground shelter now. Refuge before countdown ends. It is too late to evacuate. Relocate to a basement or underground room on the ground level of a sturdy building. Carry a battery-powered radio with you to use throughout your stay at the shelter. Do not leave your shelter until it has been deemed safe. You will be exposed to radioactive fallout if you leave. Fallout is a result of nuclear explosions. Sustained exposure can result in illness or death. To watch President Bongbong Marcos's speech, tune into PTV Channel 4. Stay tuned for further updates. This is ABS-CBN Corporation Channel 2, in the service of the Filipino. Now signing off.
Ang bayan kong Pilipinas, lupain ng ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig na sa kanyang palad, nag-alay ng ganda't dilag, at sa kanyang yumi at ganda, dayuhan ay nahalina. Bayan ko, binihag ka, nasadlak sa dusa. Ibon mang may layang lumipad, kulungin mo at umiiyak. Bayan pa kayang sakdal dilag, ang di magnasang makaalpas. Pilipinas kong minumutya, pugad ng luha at dalita, aking adhika, makita kang sakdal laya. taltilan ang di magnasang makaalpas. Pilipinas kong minumutya, pugad ng luha at dalita, aking adlika, makita kang sakdal laya.
Tayo po ay tumayo para sa pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.